The purpose of life support here at the Blue Angels is to maintain and repair all the systems that keep the pilot safe during flight. So here in the Blue Angels, the life support shop is comprised of two different rates. You have your PRs, which are your parachute riggers, and you have your AMEs, which are your aircraft structural mechanics. We come together to combine one work center to complete the mission. So your PRs, we take care of all the pilots' gear. We take care of their pilots' helmets, down to their harnesses, down to their flight suits, boots, and everything in that nature. Your AMEs, they take care of all your aircraft side of it, your injection seats, your AC, your heating, everything in that nature.
So here at the Blue Angels, every single shop comes together and we all provide a piece of the puzzle to make the mission possible. Life support itself, we make sure that the pilots are comfortable during their flight with their air conditioning, their seats, their gear. We make sure that everything goes as planned so that they could have a safe and comfortable flight.